Once your LT instance and Canvas site are integrated, you can utilize Canvas's external tool function to create deep links to available LT lessons. These links can be placed either as an item in a module, as a link in the rich content editor, for example text in a page, or as an assignment. To link to an LT lesson directly from a module, add an external tool item to the module. Choose the LT tool from the available list of external tools. When you first open the LT app, you will be asked to log in with your LT account. This will link your LMS and LT accounts to determine what content is visible to you and what permissions you have. If you don't yet have an LT account, talk to your LT instance administrator or your AD Instruments representative. In the course dropdown, select the course that contains the lesson you wish to link to. Resize the tool window as needed. Select the LT lesson you wish to link to, and select Link Selected Content. Check the checkbox for Load in a new tab and Add Item. To link an LT lesson from the Rich Content Editor, navigate to an item in your course that utilizes the Rich Content Editor, such as a page. While in the Rich Content Editor, select the image or highlight the text you want to link to the LT lesson. Select the Apps button and choose the LT app from the list. In the course dropdown, select the course that contains the lesson you wish to link. Select the LT lesson you want to link to, select Link Selected Content, select Save and Publish, or Save as appropriate. To link an LT lesson from an assignment, add an assignment to your course. Add the description details for the assignment, including the point value. Set the submission type to External Tool, and select Find. Select the LT integration app from the list of apps. In the course dropdown, select the course that contains the lesson you wish to link to. Select the LT lesson you wish to link to, and select Link Selected Content. Select Select. Check the checkbox for Load this tool in a new tab. Once all assignment details have been assigned, select Save and Publish, or Save as appropriate. In order to access an LT lesson, students must have an active account in the LT course that contains the lesson. To sync student accounts from Canvas with LT, select the link to the LT lesson in Canvas. A new window will open showing the LT integration tool. Select Sync Students. Read and confirm that the changes presented in the Sync Students modal reflect what you wish to occur. If the changes are as intended, select Sync Accounts Now. The Sync Student detail should now be under Student Accounts in LT. Students will be sent an email invite to the LT course that the linked LT lesson is within. If this is the first time a student has been invited to LT, they must accept their email invite and follow the steps to create an LT account. After doing so, they can then successfully follow the link from the LMS course to the linked LT lesson. Once a student has committed the LT lesson, their work can be graded in LT, and those grades synced to Canvas's gradebook. To sync grades, select the link to the LT lesson that contains the grades you wish to sync. Select Sync next to the LT lesson that contains the grades you wish to sync. Any student who has linked their LT and Canvas accounts and has a grade for an LT lesson will have that grade entered into the Canvas gradebook. If no grade currently exists for that LT lesson, a blank line in the Canvas gradebook will still be added. This can be updated by syncing grades once the grade exists.